Important note before you start. The platform has returned to its original name, HBO Max, and the app is available in the Samsung App Store for smart TV models from 2016 and newer. Method 1. Download directly from the Samsung App Store. Step 1. Check compatibility. If your Samsung TV model is from 2016 or newer, it supports the HBO Max app. Older models do not support the app. Step 2. Connect your TV to the internet. Make sure your Samsung Smart TV is connected to the internet, either via Wi-Fi or a wired connection, as this is required to download and run the app properly. Step 3. Open Smart Hub. Press the Home button on your remote to open the Smart Hub menu. Step 4. Go to Apps. First, make sure you are signed in to your Samsung account on the TV. Then, use the arrow keys on your remote to navigate to apps and select it. Step 5. Search for HBO Max. Navigate to the search option on the left side, type HBO Max, and look for the blue icon with the app name in the results. Step 6. Install the app. Select HBO Max from the search results and press Install. If the installation does not complete, your TV may be low on storage, try deleting another app first, and then try again. Step 7. Add to home screen. Once installation is complete, press Close and then Add to Home to pin the app to your main screen for easy access. Step 8. Sign in and start streaming. Open the HBO Max app, enter your account credentials, and start watching. An active subscription is required. Method 2. Screen mirroring from a mobile device. If the app is not available for your TV model, Step 1. Enable screen mirroring on your Samsung TV. Go to Settings, General External Device Manager, Device Connect Manager, and make sure screen mirroring is enabled. Step 2. Open HBO Max on your phone. Open the HBO Max app on your smartphone and sign into your account. Step 3. Connect to your TV. For Android, use the Smart View option from the Quick Settings panel to connect to your Samsung TV. For iPhone, use screen mirroring from the Control Center, then select your Samsung TV from the list. Step 4. Start streaming. Choose the content you want to watch on HBO Max from your phone, and it will appear automatically on your TV screen. Extra tip: if you run into any issues with installation or updates, restart both your TV and internet connection, or unplug your TV from the power outlet for a few minutes before trying again.